Hope everybody's well. I got a little daisy helper here. So I found this on AliExpress and I wanted to try to order it to see what it was. I've seen other companies do this. I ordered a mystery diamond painting from Homfun. So part of the reason I ordered this was because they missed some diamonds in my last painting that I did, and I had a lot of difficulty trying to communicate with them that I was willing to pay shipping for these diamonds, but I needed them, and the communication was just not great, and I have a feeling it was just due to a language barrier. So I finally just ordered this and put a note, please include these diamonds from my last order. So I'm hoping that they did that. So anyway, we'll open it up together and we'll see. So there should be a little mystery diamond painting in here. And so what a mystery diamond painting is a diamond painting that doesn't have a picture and there's no colors in it. So there's really no way to tell what it is until you start doing it. So anyway, I'm excited to see how this works. I've never done one. I've heard of them. And anyway, so there should be my extra diamonds in here. So let's get into this and see if they delivered on their promise. They didn't really communicate with me. So I was kind of disappointed in that, but I will chalk a lot of it up to a language barrier. So anyway, let's see what we've got in here. I think I see my diamonds in here. So there is a bag of diamonds. Oh, they're there. And then I have my canvas there. We're gonna take a peek at that. And toolkit, just like any other order we'd get from Homefun. And then there they are. Those are my missing diamonds. So they did see my request, my message, and they did follow through on that. So thank you for that, Homefun. I really appreciate it. Made things better. Okay, so I'm gonna put those aside so that I know that I've got them. Let's take a peek here. Okay, so a typical toolkit, pink pen and wax and moss boat and some bags. It would come with any of their kits. Now this is where it gets interesting. So let's take a peek at our inventory sheet. I have no clue what to expect here, guys. I really don't. So delivery time for this was good. I think 18 days. Shipping would the tracking number worked, everything. I always have good luck with Homefun that way. Got some really pretty colors in here. All right, so here we go. Mystery diamond painting. And that's what it was titled, Mystery Diamond Painting. And I did notice that some people had posted pictures of it, and there was a lot of different, like it wasn't the same canvas, there was different paintings. So anyway, so you can see there is no picture. So we have a key with 26 colors, and the key, you can see, is in black and white. There is no just letters and numbers. There are no colors, just black and white. So that's interesting. Our biggest colors in this picture is 519 and 340. I don't even know what colors they are. I guess we'll have to look. So it's gonna be tricky to inventory. I'll probably do it when I kit it up. 3671. There's a lot of that. Looks like this is gonna be a fairly light colored picture. Lots of greens and whites and blues. Lots of light pastel colors. So I have no clue what this picture is, you guys. Nothing at all. I have no guess. Lots and lots of these lighter colors. So I did order a square. I took a look at the round one. I find that round diamond paintings tend to look really busy to me. So I figured I would go with a square and see what it looks like. Okay, so let's take a peek. So there we are. Now we've got our canvas. So our recycling truck is pulled up. It's always something. Like, my life is so quiet, and then I film a YouTube video and I don't know, craziness happens. Okay, so it's on a thicker foam roller. It's just a little guy here. I'm gonna take these silly elastics off that I don't like. Everybody knows that Colleen does not like these elastics. So I started working on my butterflies with diamonds last night. I'm excited to see how this goes. Just excited to be part of this event. So anyway, here we go. Here it is. So as you can tell, there is our key with no picture. Just a black and white key. So let's get this. You know, I don't even, oh, I ordered a 25 by 25. I figured this would be a nice size to get a good idea of what this was going to be like, but not too big. So just like it looks like it's just one sheet of adhesive. I'm just going to get this to lay flat. Holy crap. I have no clue, you guys, no clue. Like sometimes you can tell what your picture is going to be by your just by your grid, but this is tricky. This is going to be tricky. Let's open it up and take a full look at our canvas here. I don't see anything in there. Oh, no helping. So I think it goes this way. See what we can see here. I'm going to try to get you a little bit closer. There. I can't see anything in there. Looks like there might be a house here. Maybe a tree or something. No clue. Interesting. The grid is nice and clear. It's kind of hard to tell with the black and white, hey? Interesting. This is really cool. I am looking forward to trying this. Yeah, so the size looks good. The canvas is nice and clear. The adhesive is good. I'll have to inventory it and see if I have everything here. So yeah, there we go. There is our mystery diamond painting from Homfun. I'm anxious to give this a shot. So my plan right now, I'm going to finish up my butterfly event, and then I think I'm going to do this one, and then the next one that I've registered in is the Happy Drill event. So this will give me some time to finish up this. So one thing I was wondering is I do have another hobby that I do, which is making reborns. I had a channel set up. I haven't really had that channel active, but just wondering if anybody would be interested in seeing some of my reborn dolls on this channel. If you are, let me know. I can do some painting, hair rooting, just show you some finished products. But I do have some dolls that I'm going to be finishing soon. So if anybody's interested, you can either check out my other channel, which is Reborns by Colleen, or let me know when I can start posting some videos on this channel as well. So anyway, guys, I'm going to let you go. Have a good day. Thank you so much for watching. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye.